Most people know money is out there, but few know how to actually claim it. It's one thing to hear about housing or land grants. It's another thing entirely to sit down, open the right site, and start an application that could change your family's financial future. Today is Feature Friday, and my goal is simple. I want to show you where the money lives, how to use tools like ChatGPT to uncover local programs in your city, and the exact steps that turn information into action. I'm Amani, your career coach. My mission is to help you rise above the noise, build the skills that matter in this new AI era, and secure the stability you need to succeed. This week has been all about stacking resources because, let's be honest, skills are important, but without stability, they don't stick. Monday, we talked about money mindset. Tuesday, I showed you job seeker grants and stipends to cover life while you retrain. Wednesday, we unlocked tuition-free pathways at Harvard, MIT, and Tufts. Thursday, we revealed how housing and utility grants can stack up to $100,000. And today, Feature Friday, we're moving from theory into practice. I'm going to show you real websites, real programs, and real methods that job seekers and families are using right now to unlock tens of thousands of dollars. Let's begin with the federal level. The first site you should know is Grants.gov. This is the official federal portal. It will not hand you cash directly, but it is your map of the funding world. It tells you which agencies control which funds, and it points you to the right programs. Think of it this way: if grants are treasure, USA.gov is the map. Next, let's talk about the Federal Home Loan Bank system. You cannot apply directly to FHLB. You have to go through a member bank or credit union. That's why you need to pick up the phone. Here's what to say. Hi, my name is... I'm exploring down payment or home purchase assistance in your city. I'd like to know if your bank is a Federal Home Loan Bank member. If so, which programs are currently active? What's the maximum support available, and when do applications open? Write down every answer: program names, income caps, required documents, and application windows. Now, let's go local. In Charlotte, North Carolina, the House Charlotte program offers down payment help, closing cost support, and even interest rate buydowns. Mecklenburg County layers on the Homes program to offset rising property taxes. Together, these can add tens of thousands of dollars. Durham provides home repair and rehabilitation grants, helping homeowners stabilize properties and cut utility costs. The pattern is the same everywhere. Cities and counties design programs that you may never hear about unless you actively search or ask. Rural areas are not left behind. Visit rd.usda.gov for USDA rural development programs. These cover repairs, renovations, energy upgrades, and sometimes even land purchases. Pairing USDA dollars with local or FHLB funds can push your support into six figures. Now, let's break this into 7 practical steps you can start today. Log on to USA.gov/grants and get the federal map. Use ChatGPT to pull up a list of city and county housing grants where you live. Visit your state's housing finance agency for statewide opportunities. Call your local banks and credit unions. Ask about FHLB programs. Explore USDA rural development grants if you're outside a city. Check utility providers for energy efficiency assistance. Mark your calendar with application windows so you don't miss them. Now let's talk mindset and paperwork. A poor mindset says, "This is too much hassle, I'll never qualify." A wealthy mindset says, "If I qualify, I apply. Period." Here's your 1-hour application kit. 2 years of tax returns, recent pay stubs, 2 months of bank statements, proof of residence, a short personal statement if required. Put it all in one folder on your computer and one folder on your desk. When the application window opens, you're ready. Now, real-world examples. In Charlotte, families stacked a city grant, the Homes Program, and an FHLB award, unlocking close to $100,000. In Durham, homeowners stabilized their property with repair funds, reducing monthly expenses and freeing energy for career growth. In rural counties, families used USDA grants plus a local program to create room in their budgets. That breathing space was enough to pay for internet upgrades and evening courses. The lesson? Stacking isn't charity, it's strategy. Pitfalls to avoid. Waiting until funds are almost gone. Applying to programs that don't stack. Misreading income limits. Ignoring your credit report. Perfectionism. Solutions? Apply early, clarify stacking rules, confirm income rules, check credit early, and submit even if it's not perfect. Let's connect this back to your career. When housing stress eases, you can finally focus on skills. AI-assisted research, prompt engineering, analytics, automation, resume tailoring, portfolio projects. These all take energy. Housing stability frees that energy. Here's your 7-day action plan. Day 1, build your application kit. Day 2, call 2 FHLB lenders. Day 3, use ChatGPT to list your city and county grants. Day 4, identify 3 utility efficiency upgrades. Day 5, map your stack. Day 6, submit your first application. Day 7, celebrate your progress. This is Feature Friday, and the feature today isn't just websites, it's confidence. Confidence that you can locate, apply, and stack the resources built for you. Imagine 1 year from now, your housing is stable, you've leveraged grants to save $50,000 or more. And your calendar is free to focus on AI-ready skills. That's not a dream, it's a decision. And it starts with the steps you take today.